My video guide is about removing the online scam that comes from the site fullsecuritysystem.com. fullsecuritysystem.com. This is a deceptive site which may unexpectedly attack your Google Chrome browser. And this website will try to trick you into actually downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, but the trouble is that the same pop-ups may attack other computers in other parts of the world, and they all mention that the PC is infected with 5 viruses, which obviously cannot be true because it's quite unlikely that the same number of viruses will be detected in various computers. So there is something scary, frustrating and misleading in all these pop-ups by fullsecuritysystem.com. So don't trust them, don't install anything that they suggest. If you click on proceed button, you will be forwarded to some other questionable sites that may forward you to other potentially unwanted programs and their subsequent installations. So don't tolerate these deceptive pop-ups. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel and then uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. So if you find them here, get rid of them. And to make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.